SimSolid enabled us to do simulations on more complex assemblies, more complex mechanisms in our quite complex robot in a way that we simply couldn't do. We're a robotics company. We're building micro-fulfillment centers, which are basically robotic warehouses that are very small, very compact, and can be fitted into smaller areas than traditional fulfillment centers. SimSolid enables us to do really quick analysis without too much of training, really quick results, really effectively. Using SimSolid, for example, helps us to get to the point faster, get the design out faster for production in a way that speeds up the process by months. Some engineers feel that they don't trust a software where they can't see the mesh with their eyes. I can understand that feeling, but I say still give it a try, because you'll be amazed by the speed, you'll be amazed by how it works and how effective it is. I think everyone is now scrambling to go and meet that level of performance that SimSolid has.